We are live. Hi guys, this is Preeti and we are back in the live session, first live of 2025. Wishing you a very happy new year. First, I would like to tell that we are having an event in Hyderabad. I'm so sorry, I was supposed to travel, but due to some personal commitments, I was not able to make it to Hyderabad. But our team is there in Novotel High-Tech. So you can reach out there. Those who wants to see physically and then buy a sari in Hyderabad or nearby areas, we are there for next 2 days. Like 3rd, 4th and 5th of January, 3 days we have an event. So who wants to shop for February weddings, we got a really good stock there. Team is there, so you can reach out to us on WhatsApp or on calls. Thank you so much, Payal. What I'm wearing is a single tissue sari, but a very interesting piece. We haven't used any other color thread in the body of the sari other than gold and silver zari. That's all. This got beautiful peacock motifs if you see, and I have kept this sari in my personal collection. This piece is available in Hyderabad also. So those who wants to see, they can go and check out that in Hyderabad. I think 150 pieces are there. So all new collection. So with this, we would like to introduce the first design in Dhakai Jamdani for 2021. You can see this is the first piece for the live of 2025 January. This is Dhakai Jamdani design. We have done something very similar last year, but this year we have comes with a hot pink blouse. So this is the first piece for the day in single tissue. We are focusing a lot on non-tissue saris, but with lots of zari. You can see this beautiful green with blue color contrast and an orange salvage. This is also non-tissue piece because I personally feel the color looks so interesting in a non-tissue. And again, lot of zari you will see here. And this is the pallu. For the blouses, please WhatsApp us. The third piece, again a Dhakai Jamdani design with orange border, lavender body is this one. You can see with florals, geometrics, no figures. Those who doesn't want to wear figures, this is for them. You can see the detailing from gold and silver zari as a motif here. Again a single tissue piece. Next, the new piece. We were short of broad borders in single tissue. Again an orange and pink combination, one of the best seller combination of last year. Would like to continue this year also. You can see the top border, beautiful geometric patterns inspired from Mughlai motifs if you see here. The body of the sari has these floral detailings. And this is your bottom border. Looks very interesting, and personally I loved it. Those who want to convert this sari into a half sari or a lehenga, comes with a broad border blouse also. Next is a Jamawar. We are doing a Jamawar series also. So some pieces you will see, those who believe in very minimal pieces. Colors are very interesting. We are not focusing on the regular colors in Jamawar this time because I feel people generally have Jamawar's kind of style in Kanjivaram also in the regular colors. So a totally different color palette you can see in Jamawars this time. The body of the sari looks like this, and this is the border, comes with a running blouse. And a very interesting fresh color in double tissue you can see is this one. We will getting requests that most of the double tissues are like very contrast, you know, dark colors, lot of motifs. So feedback was taken and we have done something really simple, elegant and very interesting this time. You can pair it with a white, with a red and a lavender or purple also. So this is a double tissue, again florals, no figures, and this is your pallu, which is very interesting. Two more pieces. This piece we have restocked. Again, if you see that one and this one, you can see a lot of colors here, lot of florals. And to make the sari more grander, those who wants to, you know, wear it for a wedding function or something like that, this sari is for them. Again, florals, no figures in double tissue, olive green color, and this is your palla. Next piece also, it's a gold color Pichwai sari, again very minimal, very interesting. What I felt and I would do if I have to wear this sari, I'll use this color in the border as a scallop and do the same color blouse. A very interesting shade of blue you can say, and comes with the detailing of Radha Krishna hands here with the cows and everything. So again a very detail oriented yet very minimal and interesting piece in double tissue. And the last piece which we are continuing this year also, one of our best seller, we have restocked this one. I personally love it. You know, you can't say no to this particular piece, I feel. You can see the detailing. This has a bird, florals and everything. And that's all about this session. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll be saving this on a page also, you can watch later on. Again, I would like to tell those who want to see physically and then buy a sari, please visit us in Hyderabad in Novotel, 3rd, 4th, 5th in January, today, tomorrow and day after. Thank you so much for watching this session. I'll be saving this as IGTV. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.